Let's say you came across this kind of equation. How can you solve it? Come closer. We have this equation on the board. From the reaction above, what mole of CO2 will produce from 56 grams of 18? One thing you need to know is that since they have identified our 18 and this is our 18, you need to understand that this kind of equation falls under chemical combination. So the first thing you need to do, or how can you solve this kind of equation in the blink of an eye, is just 2 minutes. Said molar mass of 18, which is C2H4, that will give us the atomic mass of carbon is 12 multiplied by the 2 you have there, plus 1 times 4, we have 24 plus 4, we have 28 grams per mole. This is the first thing you are going to do. So the next thing is, since you are given the mass of 18, you need to calculate the number of mole of 18, because I said what mole of CO2 we produce from 56 grams of 18. Said N 18 is equal to the number of mole of 18 is equal to mass of 18 divided by molar mass of 18. So the mass of 18 is what? 56 grams. And the molar mass of 18 is 28 grams per mole. So the gram will cancel the gram. And we have that 56 divided by 28. That will give us 2 mole. This is not a final answer. Since I haven't 2 there, among the option I also have 2. But is that the final answer? No. So come closer. We said from the equation above. Now, 1 mole of 18 produce 2 mole of carbon dioxide. So he said 1 mole of 18 produce 2 mole of CO2. Now, the question is, how many mole of 18 again will give us the number of mole of carbon dioxide? That is 2 mole of 18 will produce 4 mole of carbon dioxide. Now, let's go back to the question and understand the question very well before we can pick our final answer. From the reaction above, this is the reaction. What mole of CO2 will produce from 56 grams of 18? We have 2 mole as the first step. Then I said from the equation above, 1 mole of 18, there's one here, 1 mole of 18 will produce 2 mole of carbon dioxide. Since we are having 2 mole of carbon dioxide here, that gives us what we said 2 mole of 18 will produce 4 mole of carbon dioxide. It is as simple as ABC. You just need to apply the tricks to it, and you need to understand the question you want to solve before you jump into that question. Now, let's take a look at the option. I made mention earlier that when we stop here, I said 2 is among the option, which is C. But is that the final answer? No. We'll still solve further till we have our final answer. So guys, option A is the correct answer, since we said 1 mole of 18 will produce 2 mole of carbon dioxide, and 2 mole of 18 will produce what? That gives what? 4 mole of 18, which is the final answer. If you are just coming across my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do well to follow us on our TikTok page. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment box. Thank you.